Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you to locate and read the model tag on a Fisher Paykel top-load washer or dryer. Let's get started. On most Fisher Paykel top-load washers or dryers, the model tag is located at the top rear of the console. Normally you can just lean over to view the tag that's located here. On the tag you'll find the model number, the 5 or 6 digit product code, and the serial number. When searching for parts on our website, partsdoctor.com, you'll need to enter the model number along with the product code to make sure you're getting the correct parts. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.